right, this is the Fromag RA70/425 CNC. Equipped with the Fromag TA400A rotary table and clamping device.
And overarm. Start up front, yeah, I mean, we go right in on the main slide area here. Electrics here, hydraulic, flow control, here's the main slide mechanism. To my left here, it's a magnetic conveyor, of course. And as you mentioned, the mixer is right up in here. The servo motor in back. We'll take a walk around the side. Up high, you've got the overarm support on this machine. And the control, of course, you already called that out. That's on now.
Which was upgraded around 2014.
Just a few years ago, yep.
To Commander EL30-4.
As you come down this way, you can point a few things out. We got documentation here, of course, parts and electrical drawings.
Okay.
And down low, processor rack right here. And this whole box was the add-on electrical cabinet for the overarm assembly and its relays, which is, here's the power pack for the overarm, clamp, unclamp, and for index table, clamp, unclamp. Controls those two items.
Okay.
Main pump assembly up through here, pump and motor.
Right.
The whole side end, wherever you're at, you down low, okay.
Voltage?
Yeah, the voltage we are currently running at 460 volts, 480, I'm sorry, high voltage. Okay. And what we're going to do here is, once you're ready, we'll just turn on hydraulics. And manually, we're going to try to run the overarm up and down a little bit just to show movement. We don't have it as part of our automatic cycle. There's hydraulics. And there's down. And there's up a little bit. We just go a couple times with that. Again, it's not programmed into this particular cycle, but it works. And then now we're going to go to an auto cycle. We've got 4 cuts, and you can zoom in later on the screen. We're going to do 4 cuts at 90 degrees apart, 4 slots all in one part. So you can get maybe the first 2 cuts from back here where you're at, and maybe going up on the control panel, take a closer look at that. So we're at cut number 1. How much are you taking off?
This time, roughly 10 feet per stroke.
51 per.
Yeah, and as you notice, you can change that while it's running. All I have to do is go to F10, enter, 10. It puts an asterisk there.
Okay, right.
Now, once I put that asterisk there, I can use these graduation marks to either raise the infeed or lower the infeed.
Right, so we're changing the infeed, amount of infeed on the stroke, on the fly, which the control can do. So
you can also change the upper and the lower limits while it's in an auto cycle.
Right.
That's a standard CNC program.
So that's cut number 1. And as you can see, later on after it's done, you come over here. We're on keyway number 2 coming up. We should be going to 90 degrees here. And it shows how much on each stroke we're feeding in and what the end game is for the overall feed distance. Now we're sitting at 90 degrees, and there it goes.
Now as you watch this number right here, it's at 5.1 now. I can bring that down while it's running.
Now it's a shorter feed.
It's end feed is a 2000s now.
Right, a little bit longer cycle, and same distance, same end game.
Right. And I can increase it back to where we were. Upper limit, lower limits.
Yep.
I want to go to F1, 2. Now, let's see where she's stroking now.
We're at 9 inches.
Right.
Yeah.
Now let's go
8.8, okay. 8.6. That's a shorter stroke, isn't
Okay,
it?
now watch when I go this way.
All right. Went back to 9 and 5. Huh?
I'm going to come in on the control real quick.
Yeah. So we're going back to our third key now. Yeah, that's.
Now we're keyway number 3.
Yeah. You see, we can kind of zoom in on that right now and see the numbers. It's pretty clear display. Position, of course, 0, and should shut down right there and wait for cycle start again.
If you got another part, same part, you load it up.
Put that in, yeah. Back to 0 now on the degrees, yep. Oh, starting now. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. We can just stop the cycle here then? You can. Yeah, other features on this one. And then, we're good there. And then I drop.
All right, so we can go back out of here. This is to set the feed axle and 0 points. This machine will maintain that old 0 point that you had in there. So if you came back the next morning and you didn't finish, you ran your parts and finished them.
Right.
You turn the machine off, you turn it back on again. You come to this page, and you can move this feed axis down.
Right.
You move them up. Load your part, and you don't want to lose that 0 point. You hit F. Now that's set 0 point right there.
Goes right to it.
Goes
there
right
it
back to the 0 point.
All
so
right.
it doesn't lose that 0 point until you reset it.
Okay. And then that's it there. And what? Hydraulics
If you're in
off?
manual mode.
Manual first? Yeah.
This is a manual mode setting, so you can set your limits. We'll go, this is the stroke axis. the bottom of my workpiece. I'm coming out, I just cut the key. All right, you see lower limit here. F12. I hit that teach. Now my limit's set.
Right there.
Right there.
Yep, there it is.
And I go back up.
Go back up, yeah.
I want my limit set. Upper limit. F11. Taught that in. Take it back out of manual. You want to check your stroke links.
Yep.
See if you hit your limits right.
Hydraulics off.
Hydraulics off.
We're good to go.
Excellent. Thank you very much. That was awesome.
Yeah, and this, yeah, we mentioned electrics. Yeah, we're currently wired.
Get out of here. We go to F00.